Did you know? There's a bird so incredibly cute. It looks like a fluffy marshmallow with a tiny beak. Meet the Shima Enaga. This adorable little bird is a subspecies of the long-tailed tit, found exclusively on Japan's snowy Hokkaido island. It's famous for its pure white, puffy face and body, making it look like a tiny, living snowball. These social little birds constantly move, searching for insects and nectar. Their round, fluffy appearance helps them stay warm in Hokkaido's cold winters. To Shima Enaga, proof that nature makes the cuttest creatures. Love adorable animals, hit subscribe.